Number 73 in a class trig for the unit circle, we have a value of cosecant theta as 8 over 5 and a terminal point in the second quadrant. So if we know that our point occurs in quadrant 2, so that'll be somewhere here, we have a value of cosine of theta as 8 over 5. And since cosecant of theta is the same as the reciprocal of sine of theta, which is 1 over sine of theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse, then our cosecant of theta is going to be equal to hypotenuse over opposite, which means that 8 is our hypotenuse and 5 is our opposite. So this will be 8 and opposite will be 5. So finding this adjacent side, if this is our angle theta, our adjacent side, so A, we'll say can be found by Pythagorean theorem. So that's 8 squared is equal to 5 squared plus A squared. Then A squared is equal to 64, which is 8 squared, minus 25, which is 5 squared. Taking the square root of that, square root of that. So this will be the square root of 39. And there's no way to really rationalize that, so we'll just leave it as it is. So this A is equal to the square root of 39. So now we can find our values for the 5 trig functions. So sine of theta, cosine theta, tangent of theta. Then we have cosecant of theta is given, so we have secant of theta and cotangent of theta. So sine of theta, looking for opposite over hypotenuse, that'll be 5 over 8. Now recognize that this square root of 39 is in the negative x direction, so just plug in a negative there, just so we don't forget it. So then cosine of theta is adjacent over hypotenuse, so that'll be negative square root of 39 over 8. Tangent of theta is going to be opposite over adjacent, which is 5 over negative square root of 39, which when rationalized will be negative 5 square root of 39 over 39. Then secant of theta is the reciprocal of cosine of theta, so that'll be negative 8 over square root of 39, which is a negative 8 square root of 39 over 39 when rationalized. And the cotangent of theta is the inverse of tangent of theta, so that'll be negative square root of 39 over 5. So these are our 5 trig function values.